Tired of herding your friends across the vast Minecraft world? Let's cut the travel time and teleport them straight to you. First, make sure cheats are enabled in your world settings. You'll need them to use commands. Open your chat window by pressing the T key. This is where the magic happens. Now, type TP, then your username, and finally, the username of the player you want to teleport. For example, if your username is BuilderBob and you want to teleport NoobNate, you would type TP_BuilderBob_NoobNate, press enter. Voila! NoobNate is instantly teleported right to your side. Remember that the teleport command is case sensitive, so ensure the usernames are typed correctly. Alternatively, if you only know the coordinates you're at, you can type TP then the player's name, followed by your X, Y, and Z coordinates separated by spaces. You can find your coordinates in the upper left when you press F3 or F and F3 on some keyboards. And that's all there is to it. Quick teleports can dramatically improve teamwork, exploration, and even rescue missions. Happy teleporting!